What's with the stars? Parang dapat doon ako nakaupo.
And God stepped out on his face, and he looked around and said, I'm lonely. I'll make me a world. And far as the eye of God could see, darkness covered everything. Blacker than 100 midnights, down in a cypress swamp. Then God smiled, and the light broke, and the darkness rolled up on one side, and the light stood shining on the other. And God said, that's good. Then God reached out and took the light in his hands. And God rolled the light around in his hands until he made the sun. And he set the sun blazing in the heavens. And the light that was left from making the sun, God gathered it up in a shining ball and flung it against the darkness, bounding the night with the moon and stars. Then down between the darkness and the light, he hurled the world. And God said, that's good. Then God himself stepped down, and the sun was on his right hand, and the moon was on his left. The stars were clustered about his head, and the earth was under his feet. And God walked, and where he trod, his footsteps hollowed the valleys out, and bulged the mountains up. Then he stopped, and looked, and saw that the earth was hot and barren. So God stepped over the edge of the world, and he spat out the 7 seas. He batted his eyes, and the lightning flashed. He clapped his hands, and the thunders rolled, and the waters above the earth came down. The cooling waters came down, and the green grass sprouted, and the little red flowers blossomed. The pine tree pointed his finger to the sky, and the oak spread out his arms. The lake scuttled down in the hollows of the ground, and the river ran down to the sea. And God smiled again, and the rainbow appeared, and curled itself around his shoulder. Then God raised his arms, and he waved his hands over the sea and over the land. And he said, bring forth, bring forth. And quicker than God could drop his hands, fishes and fowls and beasts and birds swamped the rivers and the seas, broke the forest and the woods, and split the air with their wings. And God said, that's good. And God walked around, and God looked around on all that he had made. He looked at the sun, and he looked at his moon, and he looked at his little stars, and he looked at his world with all its living things. And God said, I'm lonely still. Then God sat down on the side of a hill where he could think. By a deep, wide river he sat down, with his head in his hands. God thought and thought,